Welcome back to Everything Low. In today's episode, we are diving into two essential freedoms guaranteed by the Constitution of Kenya: freedom of conscience, religion, belief, and opinion, and the second freedom is the freedom of expression. So, these rights are fundamental to ensuring that every person in Kenya can live with dignity, express their thoughts, and practice their beliefs without fear of discrimination or persecution. Stay tuned as we break down these rights, their significance, and how they shape the democratic fabric of Kenya. So, the first thing you're looking at is the freedom of conscience, religion, belief, and opinion. Okay? These rights are enshrined in Article 32 of the Constitution of Kenya, and they are crucial for the protection of individual autonomy and dignity. The right to freedom of conscience, religion, thought, belief, and opinion. Article 32.1 guarantees that every person has the right to freedom of conscience, religion, thought, belief, and opinion. This means that each individual in Kenya is free to hold their own views, beliefs, and opinions without fear of being persecuted for them. Whether it's your personal beliefs about politics, religion, or any other area of life, the Constitution ensures that you have the right to hold and express those views. It's a cornerstone of a free society where people can think for themselves and express their thoughts without fear of retribution. This right is especially important in a multicultural society like Kenya, where individuals come from diverse backgrounds, holding different worldviews and beliefs. By protecting freedom of conscience, the Constitution fosters an environment where people can coexist peacefully despite their differences. The right to manifest religion of belief. That's under Article 32.2, where every person has the right, either individually or in community with others, in public or in private, to manifest their religion or belief through worship, practice, teaching, or observance. This means that individuals are free to practice their religion or beliefs openly, whether in the privacy of their home or in public spaces. And this includes activities like attending religious services, praying, fasting, or any other religious observance. The right to manifest one's religion or belief is essential for ensuring that people can live authentically according to their faith. It also allows for the peaceful coexistence of different religious communities, as individuals are free to practice their faith without interference. Moreover, this right extends to the observance of a day of worship, which is particularly important for religious communities that observe specific days for worship, such as Christians on Sundays or Muslims on Fridays, and those Christians who also do it on Saturday. So we also look at the right to access institutions, employment, and facilities without discrimination. That's under Article 32.3. It protects individuals from discrimination based on their religion or belief. It states that a person may not be denied access to any institution, employment, or facility or the enjoyment of any right because of their religion or belief. This provision ensures that individuals are not excluded or treated unfairly in public life because of their religious beliefs, whether it's access to education, employment, or public services. No one should be denied their rights because of their faith or beliefs. Think about it, yeah? Let's just think about it. This protection ensures that people are not discriminated against simply for practicing their religion. For example, a person should not be barred from a job opportunity because of their religious practices, such as wearing a religious garment or taking time off for religious observances. We also look at the right not to be compelled to act against one's belief or religion. Article 32.4. We're still talking about we're talking about the freedom of conscience, religion, belief, and opinion. And we've broken it down into four. The freedom of conscience, religion, belief, and opinion. We have broken out it into four. The right to freedom of conscience, religion, thought, belief, and opinion. 2, the right to manifest religion or belief. 3, the right to access institutions, employment, and facilities without discrimination. And 4, the right not to be compelled to act against one's belief or religion. This is under Article 32.4. which guarantees that no person shall be compelled to act. Sorry, Article 32.4, not 33.4, 32.4, that guarantees that no person shall be compelled to act or engage in any act that is contrary to their belief or religion. This means that individuals cannot be forced to do something that goes against their deeply held religious beliefs. For instance, someone cannot be compelled to perform a religious ritual or engage in an activity that contradicts their faith. This provision protects the individual's right to act in accordance with their conscience and beliefs, ensuring that no one is coerced into actions that violate their moral or religious principles. Now we look at the second freedom we want to look at, the freedom of expression. Yeah, it's under Article 33 of the Constitution, and it guarantees every person has the right to freedom of expression, which includes the freedom to seek, receive, or impart information or ideas. What's the scope of freedom of expression? Freedom of expression is one of the pillars of a democratic society. It allows individuals to share their thoughts, opinions, and ideas freely without fear of government censorship or punishment. This right includes the freedom to express oneself through speech, writing, art, or any other medium of communication. It also includes academic freedom and the freedom to conduct scientific research, which are essential for the progress of society. Artistic creativity and academic freedom are crucial in a society that values innovation and knowledge. Artists and scholars must be free to explore new ideas, challenge existing norms, and push the boundaries for creativity and knowledge without fear of repression. So, on limitation to freedom of expression, they are like all rights, freedom of expression is not absolute. We have to remember this, guys. Limitation to freedom of expression. Article 33.2 outlines certain limitations to this right. The Constitution prohibits expression that involves propaganda for war, incitement to violence, hate speech, or advocacy of hatred that could lead to harm or discrimination. Let's break this down, okay? While you have the right to express yourself freely, there are boundaries in place to protect others and maintain public order. First, propaganda for war is prohibited. This means that individuals cannot use their freedom of expression to promote or incite violence, armed conflict, or war. Similarly, incitement to violence is prohibited. This includes speech that encourages others to commit violent acts. Hate speech is another limitation. The Constitution bans speech that promotes hatred or vilifies others based on their ethnicity, religion, gender, or other protected characteristics. This is to ensure that people can express themselves without inciting harm or division. Lastly, advocacy of hatred that could lead to ethnic incitement or harm is also prohibited. This ensures that freedom of expression is used responsibly and does not undermine the societal fabric by promoting division or violence. It's important to respect the rights and reputation of others. And Article 33.3 emphasizes that in exercising the right to freedom of expression, every person must respect the rights and reputation of others. This means that while you have the right to express yourself, you must do so in a way that does not infringe upon the rights of others or damage their reputation. For example, while you may criticize someone's actions or opinions, you must avoid defamation, false accusations, or harmful speech. Okay? When you are expressing yourself, you must do so in a way that does not infringe upon the rights of others or damage their reputation. For example, while you may criticize someone's actions or opinions, you must avoid defamation, false accusations, or harmful speech. In conclusion, the Constitution of Kenya provides robust protections for freedom of conscience, religion, belief, and opinion, as well as freedom of expression. These rights are essential for a democratic society where individuals can live authentically, express their thoughts, and practice their beliefs without fear of discrimination or persecution. From the right to manifest one's religion to the right to express ideas freely, these freedoms ensure that every individual in Kenya can participate fully in society. However, as with all rights, they come with responsibilities, especially when it comes to respecting the rights of others. Every right comes with responsibility, especially when it comes to respecting the rights of others. So thank you for joining us in this deep dive into the freedom of conscience, religion, belief, opinion, and expression. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to Everything Law for more insights into Kenya's constitution and other important legal topics. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's continue learning and building a more informed society together. Thank you guys. Bye. See you next time.